without wasting time, let's begin the weekly as well as how the Monday market will behave. And let's see, because tomorrow is Monday and tomorrow the day begins with the new month, July month. So let's see what market is trying to show us and what it will behave and what will be the whole month and what are the buy positions or sell position we'll get to see from the analysis as well. So let's begin gold analysis. So as we have seen, this is a monthly time frame and this is the historical resistance, and historical resistance is working very well. So this is the third time the historical resistance is being tested, and in the monthly time frame we have seen sellers are present at this zone and market is going down, and we are seeing it's a clear rejection from the historical resistance. So let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see what market is showing. So here, after a bull movement, there's some retracement happened, and after that we have seen this is kind of a channel, and in this channel market was there for a couple of days or weeks, I can say. Then after that it fell down when it broke this channel, and we have seen this similar analysis in my previous videos as well, so I'm not going to repeat it again. Just for a quick recap, I'm just saying, and that is one of the reason why you see all the candles that there's the shadow or the wick that is present at the top. It's a very big one, because somewhere when the market is moving up, though sellers knew there's a historical resistance present at this level, so everybody is trying to sell it, right? So that's why you're seeing the very big wick on that particular candle, and once it broke, then it fell down and retested this channel, and now we are seeing market is moving to a bearish trend. So let's see the daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, it's pretty interesting, right? Let me just zoom a little bit. So in the daily time frame, as we are seeing, it is rejecting from the historical resistance area from 2070, and then market fell down, and these lines are nothing but different EMAs. So it's like 50, 100 and 200 EMAs, and right now in the daily time frame, market took support exactly from the similar level where the 200 EMA present right now. So if you see here, market took support from this level, which is 1893 area, and now market bounced back. On the Friday we have seen market went till high of 1922, right? And 22 area is also one of the resistance present previously. If you are watching my previous analysis videos, then definitely you guys knew there's a resistance present at this area. So now what are the scenarios? There are two scenarios. Either market will sustain, because for a bigger time frame I see the trend didn't change yet, it is still downtrend, and market might go up, go some, because there's a big fall happen, there's some retracement it has to do as per the Fibonacci levels and as per the EMA support as well, right? So it might go and retrace at least a 50 to 60%. it has to retrace before going for another movement. So let's say one possible scenario, if market sustain above this zone, which is 1922, then we can see some bullishness, or because of some news, because again the new month begins with so many newses, and definitely there will be more volatility with the news. So if market sustain above this zone, which is 1921, then definitely we see another movement probably from here, and this is the again the another area which is kind of another resistance present at this level, which is 30.5 I can say. And so there are multiple resistance as of now for the market, and supports are very limited for the markets, because market is going on a bearish trend, right? So let's see with the shorter time frame how market is behaving. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. All right. Okay, now it's pretty clear what we're seeing. Daily time frame, we saw this is the level, and Friday, Thursday market took support from this zone and it went up, and then from this levels, which is 1910 level, market again went down and retested the 1900, because 1900 is one of the I can say round number, and that's the reason why market is taking some support from this level, and it is kind of a psychological number where the buyers might present at this level. But again, it is in a 4-hour time frame, it is going to face this rejection or face this resistance, I can say, which is 1922, and somewhere it is also kind of touching this 50 EMA, right? So this is a 50 EMA in a 4-hour time frame, and it is taking rejection. That's the reason why the closing you have seen it touched 1922, and we see there's a red candle formation with little rejection, but it is not a confirmation that this is a complete rejection from this level. So Monday we have to see how market is behaving. So note down all the levels that might work Monday, probably the whole week, and we might see some movement in the market, because this is the starting of the month and we have very, very important news. Those are coming up for the gold. So what are those levels? So first level, definitely this is the one. Let me just draw it. So if market, you see in the Monday, if market sustain above this zone, which is 1922, if market sustain above 1922, then there is a possibility market will go and test its previous major resistance, which is at 1930. So possibly market might try 1930 before doing any trend change. If market sustain above 1930, then it might go till 1940, and beyond 40 we have seen market might hit the really major one as of now is the 52 to 54, right? So these are the major resistance as of now. Let's talk about the support. If we are seeing some rejection, right? If you are seeing some rejection, market might come and again retest this zone, because few days back we have seen there are multiple rejection happened from this zone, and it created as a dynamic resistance. And now, though market moved upward and broke this resistance zone, there's a high possibility, or the probability I can say, market might come down from here, and it took some support from this zone and it might end. And traders, if you see some support is being formed here, 1913 and 1914 area, definitely you can go for a buy entry till 1922 again, and if 1922 sustain, then we can go for a 1913 levels. So, and as a intraday trader or as a reactive trader, always try to follow the market, always try to follow the market trend. Do not try to take opposite or the reverse positions, like kind of predicting the market. Nobody can predict the market 100%, right? It is just all probability and the possibilities that we analyze, all the technicals. But during the news time, the fundamentals are work in a different way. So chart will definitely show you before the news, but due to the volatility, the chart will be different during the news time. So always manage your risk reward during the news time, because those are the volatile time. Or if you don't want to manage or don't want to trade during news time, that is well and good. You can skip those news filters and put the news filter and avoid those times, and do trade with the actual chart. Let's come to see the support. So as of now, these are the resistance I have given. Support, this is one of the support which is at 1913, right? This is one is a support, Similarly, another support possibly it could be the same round number, which is at 1900 to 1901. And always remember, the numbers that I'm giving here, it doesn't mean market will come to stop at this particular level, because in the market a single line will never work or a single number will never work. It is kind of a range, probably a point of 1 or 2, maybe plus or minus, that happens in the market, because market doesn't behave with a dot or a line. It is kind of a always try to behave or take support or rejection from a area or a maybe or a range, I can say. Okay, so market always works in a range, and these are the support levels: 1913, 1900, and below 1900 we'll see the low that formed, and it was 1893 level, right? And below 1893, if market took some rejection because of there are major important news, if market falls and if took some rejection from this level, then we might see it might go and hit another support that is present at 1884, and below 1884 definitely there are more downfall is going to happen, and it might go till 1864 and 1850 as well, but those are the very far distance. And let's focus on the current area. Gold never fall more than 50 point in a day, so the maximum is a 50. That's what I'm seeing from my past experience. So let's focus only on those areas, and as a reactive trader try to focus on the levels, and from the levels you can easily take the positions. Either it could be a buy position or sell position, and probably you can use any of your favorite indicators. EMAs works best, but I prefer EMAs, sometimes the pivots, or sometimes I follow like without an indicator. It's just a plain price action I want to see. And previously before the market, always try to draw your resistance and support on the chart, so that it will be easier for you to analyze and take the entry positions. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Happy trading. Bye bye. Do like, share and subscribe the video, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you will not miss out the latest analysis videos. Thank you.